Hello, Matthew Boot here with the Cherokee Division of Forest River, coming to you from beautiful Topeka, Indiana. And I am in the bedroom of the Cherokee 274RK. One of the nice things about our unit here, as you can see, you have hanging clothes on either side with your mirror, a full bank of cabinetry with the elegant stainless steel pulls, nice headboard, nice illumination here at night for when you're reading, and then you have this really nice package of pillows and also a bedspread that's going to go on top of your hypoallergenic mattress. On either side of the bed, you're going to have USB chargers, and you're going to have your outlets here on either side. So you'll be able to run CPAP machines, plug in your phone, iPads, all that jazz you're set up for. And as you'll see throughout the coach, you're going to have night shades. I've opened that window so we have some more illumination in here. With us, or with Cherokee, you're going to have the pocket door here and also another entry into the bathroom. I have seen some other stuff out there where you just have one way in. This makes it very, very convenient for you to walk around your bed or to go into the bathroom at night. Or if you were to have a guest come in, they don't have to walk through your bedroom to get in. So if you want to follow me around here into the bathroom, you're going to have tons of space, storage space here for linens in this bank of cabinets. Really, really nice mirrored medicine cabinet. Nice storage under the sink. We are carrying on the glass backsplash here in the bathrooms. And then this tub, neo-angle shower, I say tub, you do have a pan here, but this is a new radius, this is a new shower setup that we have, and I really like these pocket doors, how they come together, and it gives you a ton of space inside here to take a nice shower. And you have the skylight on top to give you nice illumination, make it bright in here. As I've showed you in some of our other demo videos, you have the fantastic fan here. Crank that up, let all the warm air out. Or if you're just trying to kind of freshen your unit up, it will pull out all the air like an attic fan in a minute or two. And then you can kick your air conditioner on. It helps cool your unit off quicker. And just like the rest of my videos like to show, you have plenty of room here. You have a nice sized bathroom so you can get ready in the morning and get ready for your day of camping or whatever you plan to do in the great outdoors. Moving forward in the coach, I like to show folks here, you're going to have all of your all your controls here for your awning, your slide out, your lights. This is a switch for your fireplace. This particular unit here in the entertainment center, just like with our Gray Wolf line, where we can, floor plan wise, we're putting in with our package the fireplace. Gives it a very nice, elegant feel, and it really ties together our interiors. With our other units out there, we have the Furrion stereo, and this Furrion stereo is going to be DVD, CD, and Bluetooth capable. So you can play your tunes through the inside speakers or outside with the outside entertainment center that I showed you. And this is going to be where your TV would mount. Again, LED lights throughout, giving you a nice illumination. Even if we were to turn these lights off, because we've lightened up the floors and the ceiling and the countertops, our units are still very nice and airy. Now I've pulled down the blinds a little bit because we're sitting out here in the field and I wanted to bring some light in, but if they were all the way up, our windows in the Cherokee are huge. Huge windows, brings in lots of natural light so you can see the great outdoors when you're at your campsite. On our sofa here, I do like to show you have a great storage area underneath here. This can also jackknife into a bed. And then in the cup holders here, you have USB chargers, and they light up, so if you're hanging out at night, you have the nice little illumination. In your cup holders, you can charge anything that you want to. You have another USB port right here, So if someone was using their computer in the dinette, they would be able to hook up to. And you're also going to have another outlet up there on the ceiling. We added this decorative light. I think it looks really great. And down here at the dinette, I'd like to point out the full big storage drawers on either side that are going to fully extend. And then specifically in this floor plan, you have a great huge pantry back here. Look at how big this pantry is. As opposed to just having, little doors that you can open up, you have a great big pantry. As you can see above the threshold of the slide out, you're also going to have this in the Grey Wolf product. You have a nice blue LED light that backlights this. What is really nice about that light, other than at night having a nice little ambient feel, is that it acts as a night light if you have anybody stay with you. Now, the highlight of this floor plan, with it being a rear kitchen, is the super kitchen, or chef's kitchen, as I like to call. You're going to have the sink cover, stainless steel undermount sink. You're going to have the seamless high gloss countertop. And this is really cool because it basically has almost a marble look to it. And then you have the nice pull-out faucet, high-rise, so you can clean pots and pans. Stainless steel appliance package on the microwave and the oven with a glass cooktop, so you have more space. You're actually going to cook on this, but this is just the cover. And then you have all this space for food preparation. And I like this floor plan personally because it kind of sets your kitchen off to the side and gives you a really nice seating area, so if you're sitting with guests. Again, all the overtop storage, the big windows, the coordination in floor plan. We're really putting together a great package this year. Skylight to bring in your natural light, and then the LEDs. And so that is going to conclude the interior demo video on the 274 RK Cherokee. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please check out our website or check us out on social media. Thank you.